14, 15. I'm up bang somebody clean. Shade off fuck free, oh shit. 260 on the
boy, I live like I'm most wanted, oh God. But put that skull up on fridge, play ball. But no game, nah kick, yeah. I'm from Skippa.
The back of that, here at that, I'm full of satara. Rain it a fall on me foot. Tough life, tough tackers, fucking on me jackers.
When we busy, don't call, just text. Chopper you want, so chopper you get. Baby girl, my demons waiting for me. Did have a heart, but them take.
inside, crying with smiles. Real storms, we never leave some. The two others call me phone in and the 2 o'clock bells I beg to come up. On your motor, I'm mind pussy this now, you fi know that, yeah.
Come tell me silly, make me can't focus. If both fi drive me mad, yeah, I must.
Right now, focus, you the bread mine. Go, run up on me thing as my head mine.
I pack money enough so we hype out brawling. You want suck up my big toe, but that kinda nasty. Yeah, dying's my gun no sleep. Thugs no weak, wanna no cool me up, so love for do it. Pussy coulda tied.
Why should anybody believe in Ninja Man?
I don't care if you believe me after you're no God.
Let
me tell you something.
Let me
hold on. When you say that,
in the mid-90s.
Hold on, when you say that, I can hit a point to you. I don't care whether you believe me or not, you know. Yeah. The last time I give my life to God, wholly and solely, and I work.
Did you really?
And when you not done criticize me, I couldn't take it no more. I have to come out and say, God, if I so much Christian to be, I can't take him, I walk away. But me, I'm telling you something now.
Were you really a Christian or were you just broke?
What?
I needed some money.
You can't make me broke. You think a DJ make money like me?
How much do you make for a regular stage show?
I tax you want to come down for me. I don't make nothing. You think you're not...
You're Ali Button?
Yes, work for nothing, but if you check my pocket, it have been something.
Were you really a Christian?
I wasn't a Christian. I was a man of God.
What's the difference?
Because Christians have a tendency to be hypocrite in the sight of God.
And what are you now?
When you work in the sight of God, you must not go to a man's yard. You must not cheat on your fellow brothers in the church. You must not rob the collection. And a church that is dealing with God is supposed to make sure that what he's doing, when he preach and collect the collection, you have mad people on the road, you have sick people who need help, you have school who need help, and the pastor them a thief the collection at garden yard. I want the collection do something beneficiary to the country and to the poorer class people. And until that time, I am not a Christian, I am a man of God. I am far from church but closer to God. You understand? I'm not going to stay near church and far from God because some of them in our church are not really right.
With this latest move, what's now? Are you Desmond Mohammed?
No.
What?
You never hear me come here and say salam alaikum, alaikum salam, you know.
So what is it?